Tonight in Topsham, crews are responding to what's described as a massive fire at Grimmel Industries, a waste management company. These images are from our media partners in Portland, WMTW. The fire chief says the fire began in a scrap metal pile. Thick smoke can be seen pluming high into the sky. There are no reported injuries. Several towns are aiding on scene. The chief says water supply has been a struggle. We'll have more on this as soon as we can.